Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Everything for Us. My name is Angel. Hope you're all doing good. Today I am making this video for my non-Malayali friends. If you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and comment as well. So all these kurtis I bought it from Ajio website when the sale was going on with 70%. For example, if the price of the kurti is 1000 rupees, if we get the kurti for 70% discount, we will be paying only 300 for the kurti, which is a very good deal. And this is not a promotional video. Let's see the kurtis one by one. So this is our first kurti. This is from the brand Fusion. This is the cotton kurti. I really like this kurti a lot. It's very thick material and we can wear it with legging or jeans as well. And it is very wide and the color combination also I liked very much, and even in the design in front portion, and it has the design in the back portion as well. And this original price of the kurti is 999. I will give the link of the kurti in the description. You can directly check the details in the website. And regarding this brand, it is very good brand and I have reviewed so many kurtis from Fusion brand. The stitching and the quality of the material is really good. However, when you receive any product, please thoroughly check the quality of the material and ensure there is no damage before the return date is expired. Otherwise you will not be able to return it. And this sleeveless kurtis of Fusion brand has small sleeves inside, so if you want we can attach it. This is how the back side looks. There is an extra piece where they have attached it, and this really looks nice. Even the back portion looks like front portion. That's all about this kurti. Let's see the next kurti. This is our next kurti. This is my favorite kurti out of these sets. This is cotton, dark blue color, and it has this check across the fabric, and the front portion, the cutting and stitching how they have done, it's amazing actually. You can see the bottom part is straight checks, and this checks, this is not a print or it's not a design, it's all stitched on top of the blue fabric. And it is evenly stitched, very nice. And the top portion, if you see in the front portion, it is direct checks, but the sides they have did a different cutting of the fabric, which looks amazing. And it has 6 coins, left side 3 coins and right side 3 coins, which will make nice sound when it touched together. And it has an embroidery with the contrast red color fabric, which looks amazing. They have done hand stitching. This is also a sleeveless kurti and it has a sleeve inside. We can wear like this with a shrug or some inside some kind of inner, which will look very nice. Even this we can use it for our kids as a frock. It has pockets in both the sides. Here there is a pocket in the front portion, it's not in the sides. They have accommodated in the front portion itself with the design, which looks very nice. Even we can wear one shirt inside and on top of it we can pair it. White or red shirt will go very well with this dress. And it has a beautiful plain round neck. I really liked it. And this is our next kurti, lime color with the multicolor embroidery, which is looking very nice. We can pair this kurti with blue or pink color combination legging and dupatta as well. This is rayon material, and rayon, it is a very delicate material. The stitching of the kurti is very nice. They have done this princess cutting, and it has 3/4 sleeve, and in the end of the sleeve as well they have given that same color combination embroidery. This is how the neck looks, very nice, round neck with a V cut in the front. This fabric is very delicate. We cannot use it on daily basis. This is only for the occasion. And this is how the bottom part looks. There is no slits in the sides, and this has this shape which is very nice. And we can wear this with legging or even with palazzo as well. This is our next kurti. This is very nice yellow color, and this is how the cutting looks. It's entirely different. The highlight of the kurti is the lace which they have given in the bottom part. Very nice cotton lace they have given, and this is rayon material, which is very delicate. Again, we cannot wear this on daily basis. This is only for the function or party wear. And this is how it will look when you put it. It will come down, and this is how it looks. It's very simple, but it is very silky and shining kind of a fabric as well. We can pair it with 3/4 legging. It will go very well. And it has sleeves inside. This is from the brand Awasa. We can trust and buy this brand as well. Let's see the next kurti. This is a cotton material. It's very thick cotton, and this is like a frock kind of material. It has pockets in both the sides. This is how the material looks, very thick. It has straight lines, and this is how the top portion looks. This has a V-cut neck and there are a lot of buttons in the front. This is also sleeveless kurti and it has sleeves inside. In this kurti also they have done this hand stitched embroidery which is looking very nice. Though it is contrast color, because of the yellow and red it is not that much visible. But the buttons, the metal buttons, which is looking very nice, and it's giving a rich look to the kurti as well. This has two pockets and this is how they have done nice embroidery next to the pocket. It's looking very nice. Both the sides they have given the pockets, so we can put our kerchief, phones and all. And I really like this kurti. Let's see the next kurti. This kurti is from Avasa brand and it is looking very nice. It's very simple with rich embroidery. They have used golden color thread and it has 3/4 sleeve, and in the sleeve also they have given small embroidery with sequins which is giving a rich look. And highlight of this kurti is it has a lining, cotton lining. They have used very nice material and this has slits in both the sides. We can actually pair with the same kind of material legging or dupatta, which will look very nice. And even with the golden color pant or even with golden color net dupatta and all, if we can pair it, it will be really nice. That's all about kurtis. And if you want to know how to purchase with 70% discount from Ajio website, I will add that info as well. If you like the video, please do not forget to comment it. Let's see how to purchase with 70% discount. We can avail this offer through app or directly from the website as well. So Ajio.com, if you search in the website, you can see it. Otherwise, to install the app, you can put Ajio online shopping app. This is how the app looks. After installing, you can give your details and open it. The front page itself, you can see a lot of offers going on with a lot of different types of discounts. So normally I buy Trends products, which is here, which is now having 70% flat off. So when you click here, you will see a lot of products with 70% off. Here itself you can see one price, and after cutting they have put another discount price, and in green color you can see another price. Also you can see on the top the offer ends in another 4 hours. That means after 4 hours you will not be able to buy this product with this discount. Also under this deal they have 9,551 products. So it is inclusive of lot of items like pants, t-shirt, all gents items, ladies items, kids wear, everything it has. So whatever we want, we need to search that. So after clicking and going inside, you can see lot of products will be out of stock as well, that you will not be able to buy it. That is because people have already bought it. Maybe with limited stock it has came. So I am just going to ladies items by clicking on the women, and here I am showing only kurtas and kurtis. So let's see only the kurtas and kurtis. So that will be plain kurtas. Here also you can see it is not sorted in ascending or descending order. So we can see a lot of items with relevance it is showing here. All these kurtis are having the discount, and inside if you go, you can see to get the discount what is the deal. So to get 70% off, we need to buy for 1,690 or above. Then only we will get this 799 kurti for 240 rupees. And the coupon code will be TRENDS70. So normally I select all the kurtis which is having the similar coupon code. Otherwise you will not get this offer. And if you click inside the offer and select the products, that will be under the same discount code, I mean the same coupon code. That is how it works. So if you go and search and select some other products along with this, then you will not get discount for all the kurtis, only one you will be getting the discount. So ensure your minimum purchasing price is 1,690. Here also you can choose size and take whatever size you want. Many things are already gone out of stock, so just show you I am just adding few products. After adding all the products, you can go to your bag. Here you can see I have added 10 products, and by default it has taken the normal discount. Even without discount you can buy for this product. So what we are trying with 70% discount, for that here you can see the total price is 9,390, and without discount itself, without the special discount itself, it's coming around 4,600. To get the 70% discount, we need to go down and click on apply coupon. So it will take you to a page where you can see all the coupons applicable for our purchase. So on the top, the first coupon code will be the highest amount. You can see 1789, 1400 like that. So you just click on apply coupon to get apply. If you have any coupon code you have received from Trend Showroom, that you can directly enter on the top as well. So we need to remember that only one coupon code we can use it for a purchase. Once you apply the coupon, it will show that coupon code applied. So here Trend 70 is applied. So if you have selected some products which is not eligible, then it will be showing that coupon code not applicable. So this is how we will add the coupon codes, and if you don't want any products you can remove as well. Once you confirm it, you can click on confirm order and give the address and all those details. Also you can choose cash on delivery, which will be the last option. Otherwise you can give the bank details and you can purchase, but I would suggest to give cash on delivery, which is actually very good. Once you get the product you can pay the amount. And this is how I buy kurtis from Ajio. And if you like the video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.